Students, today we will solve question number 6, that is check the divisibility of following by 6, and check the question number 7 also and all other questions also. So see here, check the divisibility of following by 6. Now what is the test for 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 by both, then only we can divide that number by 6. Now see here, 0 is there. So can we divide it by 2? Yes. Now we will check, can we divide it by 3 or not. So for what is 3 steps? Add all the digits. See here, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, and 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 0 17. We cannot divide it by 3. 17 cannot divide it by 3. That means this number is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. As it is not divisible by 3, by both the numbers 2 and 3, it is also not divisible by 6 also. Now see, as 2 is there at the units place, yes, this number can be divisible by 2. Now let us see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. How? Again add all the digits. Single digit. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 3 25, 25 plus 2 27, and 27 we can divide by 3. 3 9 are 27. So yes, this number is divisible by both 2 also and 3 also, and so we can divide it by 6. Yes, we can divide it. Now this thing, 4 is there. So yes, we can divide it by 2. But now let us see whether we can divide it by 3 or not. 1 plus 5 6, plus 2 8, plus 3 11, plus 3 14, and plus 4 18. That is 18 means divisible by 3. So yes, this number also divisible by 2 and 3. That means it is divisible by 6 also. Got it? Now question number 7. Check the divisibility of following numbers by 7. Now what is 7 test? Last digit is there, no? That we have to twice. Okay? We have to double it, and that digit we have to subtract from the remaining number. Okay? And if the answer is divisible by 7, then the given number also divisible by 7. Now here what is the last digit? 3. What is double of it? Means 3 2s are 6. And we have to subtract 120. This. Okay? 125 minus 6. So what will be the answer? 119. Now 119 can be divided by 7. See, just take it. 11 minus 7 4, and this 9, 7 7 is 49. Yes, we can divide this 119 by 7. That means this whole number is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 7. Similarly, next, see here, 2 2s are 4. So I double this digit, and we have to subtract 4 from this. 1642. 1642 minus 4. What will be the answer? Yes, 1638. Correct? One 1638 is the answer. Now 1638, can we divide it by 7? We'll check. 16 minus 14 2. Take 3 down. 7 3s are 21. And 7 4s are 28. Yes, we can completely divided by 7. That means this number is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now next, The last digit is 8. So double it. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. And we have to subtract this from 1650. Now 10 minus 6, 4, 3, 16. We have to see, now again we have to check whether we can divide 1634 by 7 or not. So 1634 we have to divide by 7. 7 2s are 14. 2. Take 3 down. 7 3s are 21. 2. Now 24 is there. Can we divide it by? No. That is, we cannot divide completely. Since again 7 3s are 21. This is the remainder. That means we cannot completely divide this number by 7. So the given number is not divisible by 7. Okay. Question number 8 is, check the divisibility of following numbers by 8. Now what is the test for 8? Test for 8 is, we have to see the last 3 digits of the number. If the number which is formed by last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then the given number is also divisible by 8. Now see, what are the last 3 digits? 8, 8, 8. Can we divide this by 8? Yes. 888. 111 multiplied by 8 is 888. So, yes, we can divide it by 8. Now see this last 3 digits. 834. We do actual division. 8 ones are 8, 0. Take this 3 down. 8 zeros are 0. Take this 4 down. 8 fours are 32. Can we completely divide it? No. That means we cannot divide this number by 8. Got it? Now see, 336. Okay? 336 is there. So that we have to check whether we can divide it by 8 or not. So actual division we will do. Last 3 digit 336 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Take 6 down. 8 twos are 16. Means we can completely divide it by 8. That's why the given number is divisible by 8. Okay? Understood the test for it? Last 3 digits of the number. If divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Now, question number 9. Check the divisibility of following numbers by 9. Now, what is the 9 steps? It is same as 3 steps. Means we have to add all the digits, and if it is divisible by that sum, addition, whatever we get, if it is divisible by 9, then the given number is also divisible by 9. Now see, we will do addition of all the digits. So here see, 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. Now let us add. 3 plus 8, 11, plus 9, 20, plus 2, 22, plus 3, 25, plus 4, 29, plus 1, 30, plus 8, 38, plus 1, 39. 39. Is it divisible by 9? In 9's table 39 comes? No. That means the entire number we cannot divide by 9. Got it? Now next number. 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2. 7 plus 1, 8, plus 3, 11, plus 8, 19, plus 2, 21, plus 9, 30, plus 4, 34, plus 2, 36. Now 36. Is it there in 9's table? Yes, 9 4s are 36. That means this whole number is divisible by 9. Follow? Now last, see here, we have to add all these digits. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1. Let us add it. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. Plus 1, 33. Now, can we divide 33 by 9? No. It's not divisible. So, the entire number is not divisible by 9. Followed? Question number 10. Check the divisibility of following numbers by 10. What is the test? What is the test for 10? If 0 is there at the unit place, then the number is divisible by 10. Now see, look at here. 0 is there at unit place. So, yes, we can divide this number by 10. Look at here, 9 is there. Can we divide it? No. Only 0 more. Then only we can divide it by 10. Now again see last one, 0. So yes, we can divide it by 10. Okay. Now see, next question, that is 11th one. Check the divisibility of following numbers by 11. Now what is the test for 11? See here, we have to add the digits which are present at the even places and the digits which are present at the odd places. And if the difference of that is divisible by 11, then the given number is also divisible by 11. See here, now this is 7 plus this we have to leave, then 1, this is 1 place, 2 leave, 3, correct, then 4 leave, 5. Okay, now see 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, and now these digits take at the even places, 2 and 4, no? So that is 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. Correct? Now 17 minus 6. How much? 11. Correct? So can we divide this number? See, the answer 11 is there. No? 11 is divisible by 11. That means this number is also divisible by 11. So yes, we can divide this number by 11. Now let's see. What we have to do? Again odd places. 1. This is first, huh? 1. Then this digit. 2 leave. After that third. On third place 3 is there. Then 4 leave. And fifth place 6 is there. So add these number. What we will get? 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. Then, what are the digits at the second place? 1 and plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7. Now 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Can we divide 3 by 11? No. That means this number we cannot divide by 11. Okay. Now see, we will see whether it is divisible by 11 or not. See here. The numbers which are at odd places are 9 plus 2 plus 3. Add it. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Okay. And numbers which are even places are 6 plus 7 plus 1. This is also 14. Now 14 minus 14 is 0. And what is the test says? If 0, we get subtraction as 0, then also the whole number is divisible by 11. That means yes, this number is divisible by 11. Followed? Now students, see question number 14. Find a 4-digit odd number. We have to make 4-digit odd number using each of the digits 1, 2, 4 and 5. Only once, such that when the first and the last digits are interchanged, it is divisible by 4. See what is condition? First of all, it should be 4-digit odd number. Second, these only digits we have to use 1, 2, 4, 5. And again third condition, we have to see after interchanging first and the last digit, it should be divisible by 4. Okay. So what should be that number? The answer you can write your own also. So first one's here. I will 4, 1, 2, 5. 5 is odd. Now this is odd number. Okay. If I interchange the number, it will become 5, 1, 2, 4. And see, is it divisible by 4? 24 is divisible by 2. Last 2 digit. Okay, makes 24. So it is divisible by 4. This is one number. Or again another number we can 4, 5, 2, 1. Now see, if I after interchanging, again what? 1 will come here, 4 will shift that side. So it will be, now see, this makes 24. That means yes, this number also is divisible by 4. Understood? So what is that number? This or this. Okay, like this you can also make any other number.